Hello dear students, Algebra chapter number 1, problem set 1, 4 sums from problem set last are remain. Question number 2, Kantabai purchased two things, tea and sugar. They have asked the cost of tea, suppose x rupees, sugar y rupees. They have given the weight T 1.5 kg, so 1.5 into x total rupees, sugar 5 kg, y cost 5y. In auto rickshaw 2 and 4, that is 50, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, that total is given 700. So first equation 1.5x plus 5y plus 50 is equal to 700. In second condition, they have purchased this material online, so no auto rickshaw fare. Tea x rupees 2 kg 2x, sugar y rupees 7 kg 7y. At that time the total cost is 880, so 2x plus 7y is equal to 800. So first is this 50 I have reduced from 150, so 650. Multiply by 10, so multiply by 10, 0 will point will remove, 0 added, and in this again divide by 5, divide by 5 3, divide by 5 10, divide by 5 13 5 is 65, and this equation I have copy here. 2x plus 7y is equal to 880. Now multiply equation 1 by 2, correct? Multiply 3 equation 2, so multiply this by 2, so double and double. Multiply this equation by 3, 3 to the 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 88s are 264 and 0. And now these are equal, sign equal, coefficient equal, so by subtracting equation third from fourth, so 6x minus 6x 0, 20y minus 21y is equal to minus y, 2600 minus 2640, it is minus 40, so minus cancel, so y is equal to 40. Substitute in any equation, 3x plus 10y is equal to 1300, 3x, so 10, y is equal to 40, 40 into 10, 100, 400 less from 1300, so it is 900, 900 divided by 3, so it is 300. So 1 kg tea x rupees, so x is 300 rupees. 1 kg sugar, so the cost of sugar we have considered y we got 20 rupees. Name of the person, present age and 3 years ago. Manish and Savita. Manish x year, this is y year. 3 years ago, minus 3. Present age total x plus y is equal to 31, and x is equal to 31 minus y. Condition number 2. Money's age is 4 times of this Savita's age before 3 years. So open the bracket, x minus 3, substitute x is equal to 31 minus y. So 31 minus y, what is x? Minus 4 in bracket y minus 3. This. I have substituted x value and minus 3, then this copy, 31 minus y minus 3, 4y is a 4y, 4 3 is a 12. Now 31 minus 3, 12 this side is a plus, 4y minus a plus, so it is 5y, this is total 40, divide by 5, so y is equal to 8. So x is equal to 31 minus y, substitute y is equal to 8. 31 minus 8, 23. So the present age of Manisha, that Manish we have considered x, so that is x is 23. Age of Savita, that is y we got 8 years. There are two types of note. There are 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note. 100 rupees note number I don't know, 50 rupees number I don't know. So 100 rupees, suppose 3 notes, so 300. Like that 100 rupees x note, so 100x, 50y. Sorry. And the total amount is 2500. Now I will interchange x note, y note, interchange. Instead of 100 it is 50, instead of 50 it is 100. So it is 50x, 100y. Now the total is 500 less compared to this. 2500 minus 500, so it is 2000. So I will get two equation. 100x plus 50y is equal to 2500. 50x 100y is equal to 2000. One time adding, one time subtracting. By adding 150, 150, 4500. Divide by 150. So 1s are 3s are, so 30. So that is a third equation. Now subtract 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. 50 minus 100 it is minus 50. 2500 minus 2000 it is 500. Divide by 50. You will get x minus y is equal to 10. Now this is x plus y. This is x minus y. Again add one under another. Y will cancel. 2x is equal to 40. Divide by 2. It is x is equal to 20. And x is equal to 20 in x plus y is equal to 30. So x is equal to 20. 20 plus how much is equal to 30? 20 plus 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So 100 rupees note x we have considered, and x we got 20. Number is 20. Y we got 5 and y we got 10. In a factory, the ratio of skilled worker and unskilled worker is 5:3. Let the common multiple be x. So the skilled worker salary is 5x rupees. An unskilled worker will get the salary 3x rupees. And given that total salary is 720 rupees. So 5x plus 3x is equal to 720. So total 8x is equal to 720. Divide by 8. 8 9s are. So x is equal to 90. So again this skilled salary is equal to 5x. So 5 minus 90, 450. So skilled that member will get the salary 450. Unskilled member will get 3x. 3 into 90 because x is equal to 90. It is 270. And again you can tally the total, it is 270. Here we have completed algebra 1 chapter, geometry 2 chapter, 1 by me, 1 by madam. So 4th chapter means algebra 2nd chapter. From today only we will start online. Okay, so every day there will be 40 minutes lecture, and we will try to solve each and every type of quadratic equation. Okay, thank you, all the best.